Welcome to Cindy Eats. I'm Cindy. Hey, how y'all doing today? Amen, amen, amen. So, this is the Rock the Boat Challenge by the Sincere Team. You gotta have a large cucumber split down the middle, at least 4 toppings, and a 12-ounce drink. I got water. I got onions in the bottom. I got tomato. I got ham. I got croutons. I got some what you call that? Vinaigrette. My head cut all the way off today. And I'm going to add a little bit more stuff. This is a little bacon. And I got a little cheese. I didn't bring my ranch over here. Hopefully I won't need it because I got vinaigrette. And this is hashtag Ace fault. Because I seen hers and I said, I gotta do it. I gotta have it. It looked so delicious. Let me take my thumbnail. Scouch down. Okay. Just some little cute strawberries back here. I don't think I need it. I don't want it. Let me say, I don't need it, but I want it. The extra dressing. Mmm. Mm. 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 Child, I need to take that regular fingernail polish off. This is a fault because nobody ain't challenged me or tagged me. You know. So I'm just really out here doing it on my own. But at least it's so good I couldn't deny it, you know. Again, this challenge is by Sincere Team. If you're not subscribed to her channel, go check it out. Um, she real raw, and she keep it 100 her way, okay? She don't hold back. She don't hold back. I'm going to give a live subscriber update because I haven't done that in a while. Right now, I'm at 358 subs. Short-term goal is 1,000 by my birthday, September 9th. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Everybody hit the like button. Give me some likes. Thumbs me up. And leave me a comment. I had a challenge 4 people. A lot of people have done this already. I'm really late. But it's okay. Support. So, like a lot of people have done this already. So, I'm going to challenge Say Eats, because she tried to come for me. She tried to come for my neck. She tried to come for my neck. She tried to come for my math skills. You know what I'm saying? Like, she came for me. Like, I'm sorry. You know, my math adds up, you know, because I can put the numbers together to make them work. You know, I don't be cheating, Tay. I don't be cheating. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I don't even got about eating with Jay. Oh, yummy. Yummy. MD Takeover. I don't know if they done it, but I'm going to tag them. So that's Tay, Eating with Jay, MD Takeover. One more. You know what? I think she did it. I'm going to tag Big Eye Appetites. It's a shot. It's a shot. You know, the most he can do is say yes. The least he can do is say nah. But he ain't gonna say that. He just ain't gonna do it. But you know, why not? Why not? This is why I didn't use no more stuff. I had this chunky guacamole because my idea was to do a BLT. Mm. 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 That's good. That might look good. So, this is just a quick video. And it's late. I just came from my grandbaby's. Well, not the recital, but she had a recital. A music recital for school. I ain't been to a school event in so long. And I felt so bad because she had a poetry slam in school. And I didn't know till last minute and I couldn't go. So I made sure I went to this. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put the link to Sincere's team video. And if you haven't seen Ace video, I'm gonna put that in there. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Mm. Mm. This is why I don't wear stuff like this on these videos. Got a call, but I done tore up my dress. So that means I gotta go. I need some shout. But I'm gonna eat one of these. Mm. Let me one more. I hope to see you next time on Cindy Eats. Bye.